Alright, we're back again. Sometimes it's like this. This old fuel line had some perforations in it. It was loose up at the top too, where it comes in, up out of the tank. It was leaking a little bit. So I took the one out of the old one. It's not great, but it's a little bit better. This is a knockoff Tillotson. It's a Bing. I went ahead and took that out. I think probably the fuel line was more the problem. Also, I noticed too that I had got the kill wire. Must have got it caught in something because it had wore through the insulation. So that very well could have been a problem. It could have been grounding and dying. So, but then too, I changed it out with the actual Tillotson HK. Not great, but neither was this one. So we'll see if we get any kind of idle now. It's hard to bring that fuel line back in because it wasn't as new. It was, still it was kind of old. You could tell, and I had to bring it in from the inside up. It always takes a little bit longer when you put a new carburetor in there and it doesn't have anything in there. Okay, we still don't have any idle. Bit more of an idle as I increase the LA. got her idle. I might make it a little less lean, or maybe I might take out the LA to make it a little less lean. There it is, right there. All right, Stihl 38 AB Magnum. I need to adjust that high a little bit. That Tillotson carburetor is way better. It's oiling good. Now I'm gonna hunt around for a bar for it. I want to put a, I'm thinking about putting an 18-inch on it, maybe a 16. I like to have a good range of bars on the saws. Definitely with the 16, I think that this thing will cut through some stuff pretty quick. So finally, an end to a lot of work. But we basically got a rebuilt. I don't like how that thing is sitting right there. It seems cocked. Maybe. I wonder if I didn't get that mount in right there. I must not have. No, it's in there the way it should. And that one's in there. It just seems to kind of sit sideways. we'll try another start of it without it being in choke.